nating balikan ang mga international article na kung saan ay naglathala ng kanilang mga opinyon at kanilang mga paghanga sa nasabi nga pong performance ng SB19 sa nakaraang Lollapalooza sa Chicago. Alin-alin nga ba ang mga artikulong international ang naglathala sa kanila? Hanggang ngayon ay pinag-uusapan ang nasabi nga pong performances ng SB19 hindi lamang sa Summer Sonic kundi pati na rin sa Lollapalooza na talaga namang hanggang ngayon ay topic pa rin ng SB19. Mula sa Chicago Asian Network, sa kanilang artikulo sinabi nilang Asian acts that stole the show this year. Despite the Chicago heat, they captivated hundreds of fans with a choreographed one-hour set on the Allianz stage featuring global hits like Gento and their new single Lawless. Mula naman sa Infobay, SB19 energy made in the Philippines and a visual show in broad daylight. The sun came out like never before this week. None of this mattered to the fans of SB19, the Filipino boy band who crowded around the Allianz stage. Pa yan, napakadami pa pong artikulo mula sa ibang bansa. Mula sa SB19 achieves a milestone for P-pop in the United States. At ito po ay mula sa nasabing artikulo ng Loss. SB19's appearance was already one of the most anticipated events for their fans. The Filipino group made history of the festival by becoming the first P-pop act to perform at Lollapalooza. The group also used their time in Chicago to present new music, further solidifying the international growth they have experienced in recent years. Mula naman sa Y Entertainment, one of the weekend's most talked about sets featured the Lollapalooza debut of SB19. Despite high temps as Lollapalooza kicked off Thursday in the Windy City, SB19 tore through their performance in front of a raucous crowd, many waving the flag of the Philippines as the P-pop group's lyrics appeared on screen in both English and Filipino. Mula naman sa artikulo ng The Heart Sounds, the biggest response came naturally during Gento. Over at the Allianz stage, the atmosphere shifted completely as fans gathered well before SB19 took the stage. The Filipino group has built a dedicated international following and that support was impossible to miss. Mula naman sa Windy City Times, the extraordinary and immersive experience known as Lollapalooza will forever be remembered for historic sets like SB19 as the first Filipino group to perform at the festivals. Mula naman sa iba pang artikulo, SB19 have officially etched their names into music history. The five-piece becomes the first ever P-pop act to perform at Lollapalooza, taking over the Allianz stage in Chicago with a high energy and a song set that mark another milestone for Filipino music on the global festival circuit. #Legend, SB19 brought P-pop to one of the world's biggest music festivals. From their genre, blending hits and hands-on creative approach to their chart success with tour and cross-cultural collaborations. Here are 6 things to know about the group taking Filipino pop worldwide. So, yan po ang mga international article na nagbahagi ng kanilang mensahe para sa SB19. Nandiyan din ang Fox Chicago, Chicago Tribune, nandiyan din ang Hyperbeast, Consequence, at marami pa pong iba. Sobrang pinag-usapan po ngayon ng SB19 sa larangan ng musika at actually doon po sa Summer Sonic sa Tokyo sa kanilang Pacific Stage ay ipinakita ng SB19 ang lahat ng klase ng kanta na meron sila at ang lahat ng klase ng boses na meron sila. Mapabalad man yan, upbeat, dahan-dahan, rap, lahat po yan ay kaya nilang kantahin at ang kanilang boses ay talaga namang napaka-flexible. Well, yan ang ating showbiz top update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.